Hi everyone. Welcome to Slow English Studio.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena. Welcome back to our English lesson.
I'm so happy you're here. Because today, we're going to talk about something very important for your English journey.
How to find your English voice. Not through grammar, not through perfection, but through confidence, connection, and practice. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's speak English together, slowly and calmly. The mindset of confidence. Sometimes we think we're not good enough to speak English. We say things like, I can't speak fast. I always make mistakes. My accent is bad. But that's not true. Your English is a work in progress, and that's beautiful. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not problems. They are proof that you are learning. Every time you speak, you grow. Every time you listen, you understand a little more. Confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build, word by word, sentence by sentence. Shadowing practice. Now let's speak together. I'll say a short sentence, and you repeat after me. Listen carefully to the rhythm and the sound. I can speak English. My voice matters. I am learning every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I'm growing step by step. Now, say it again, slowly, clearly, with confidence. I can speak English. I'm proud of myself. Personal story, how I learned French. When I moved to France to learn French, my teacher gave me one piece of advice that changed everything. She said, "Don't just read quietly, read out loud." At first, it felt strange. But she explained something beautiful. When you read out loud, your eyes see the words. Your ears hear your pronunciation. And your tongue learns how to move. You train your mouth and your brain at the same time. My teacher told me, don't translate every word. Just keep reading. You'll see, after a while, your brain will understand. So I tried it. Every day I read French books, out loud. In the beginning, it was slow. I didn't understand everything. But after a few weeks, something magical happened. I started recognizing words. I saw them again and again. And one day I said to myself, "Oh, I know this word." That's when I allowed myself to translate it. In a few months, I finished about 10 books. And not only did I understand more, I loved hearing my own voice in French. Reading out loud gave me confidence. It made my pronunciation natural, and it made learning fun. That's why I want you to try this too, in English. Advice and daily practice tips. So, here are a few simple tips that can help you improve your English every day. Tip number 1. Read out loud for 10 minutes a day. Choose something short and easy, a story, article, or even subtitles. Do not translate every word. Just read and enjoy the sound of your voice. Tip number 2. Listen to English daily, even in the background. Podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos, anything you like. Your brain learns from what it hears, even when you're not focused. Tip number 3. Record yourself speaking. Talk about your day, your thoughts, or your plans. When you listen again, you will hear your progress. Tip number 4. Shadow real speech. Repeat after a native speaker, line by line. Copy their rhythm and emotion, not just their words. Tip number 5. Use English in your world. Write notes in English. Think in English. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, walking, or cleaning. Learning a language isn't about studying harder. It's about living with the language. Reflective connection. When you make English part of your life, it becomes natural. It becomes your friend. It becomes your voice. So let English live in your phone, in your journal, in your thoughts, and in your heart. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be yours. Every time you read, listen, and speak, you get better. So, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'm proud of you. You're doing something amazing. Thank you for learning with me today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.